Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can perfectly recreate the ultimate that ether look with this Bellatrix Lestrange outfit tutorial in Dress to Impress. So I'm gonna break down the items you need to create a spot-on look that's both recognizable and terrifying. So let's just get started. So I'm combining some hairstyles for the Bellatrix look. So you can put on this two from the wavy hair category. And here is the updo hair category. You can color it all black. And I'm using this one without the bangs. And also this bangs, then this one from the curly hair. For the color, you can use this brown color, not black. And now let's just make the outfit. So first I'm going to put on the top. From the dressing room, I'm going to use the currency items. This top from the witch set. And for the color, the first one, I'm going to use these patterns. And for the rest, just color it all black. Like this, and then I'm going to put on this skirt. So toggle it into skirt only, first color black, and for the rest use the pattern. So you're going to use this pattern a lot. Still on the dressing room, go to the coat items tab and put on these jackets, but toggle it into top only. Okay, so once you're done in here, you can now go out, and I'm going to put on this necklace first. Change the first color into black and the second one to this dark brown color. Now you can go to the main area. For the shoe, I'm going to wear this boots in black color, and then you're going to put on this dress but toggle it into skirt only. Change the first color into black and the second one you can go with the patterns. And now put on this sleeves, toggle it into number 2 and use the patterns like this. Okay, so last item that you need to put on is this midi skirt. This one, toggle is into white and use the patterns. So now this will be the final look for Bellatrix. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.